Going to do a little unboxing video. Haven't done a video for a while, so do this unboxing video quickly. Just arrived, literally, been waiting for this. Not the usual veganism video, but I just want to do a video just to show people that I'm a normal guy, I'm into other things, I'm into motorcycling, cycling, other things, you know, just normal people that just don't eat animals and their secretions. That's all it is. That's what veganism is. We just don't eat animals and their secretions. It's that simple. We are normal people. I'm into motorcycling. I've got a couple of bits on my bike, a couple of goodies, and what I got is these, some new levers, ASV levers to fit on my CBR 600. So I'll be fitting them shortly, and I will probably do a video showing you the before and after, how they look, how they perform. These are made in America, made in the USA, CNC machined, aluminium alloy, unbreakable pivot design, adjustable lever reach, bearings on pivot, 5-year guarantee, the matte finish. These are not the cheap ones that you can get. These are the more nicer ones, we could say, more not the cheap ones. I wanted to get durable ones that are not going to break or snap, because brake levers are fairly important on a motorbike. So I got that. See, it's fully adjustable. Apparently there's 120 adjustments on these brake and clutch levers. So it should be good. Looking forward to it. Very nicely packed. Feeling very lightweight. What does it say? The other bits there. So looking good. Made in the USA. And American friends. Let's just have a little look. Let's take one out if I can. Yep. So this one is the clutch. Nice. Very nice quality feel to it. It's got a nice little ASV logo there on the end there. So probably be three-fingered clutch. I like the adjustment. Oh, it feels very nice. You can hear the click. Yeah, the speaker. Oh yes. Better than the cheap ones, I imagine. I don't know because I can't compare. But it's got like a little, you see that little adjuster there that adjusts the in and outy bit. It feels nice. It feels quality. Let's have a look at the brake. Brake one. Again, the nice clicking, very nice quality feel. Again, probably a 2-3 finger shorty lever there. Got the nice logo, nice spring. See the spring in there. So very nice quality feel. Looks good. Very nicely made. What else do we get? What do we get inside? I don't know. It's like a little, whatever that's for, I'll have a read in that. Screw in a thingamajig there. And this one we get some little bolts there. Some inner bits there, I think, to fit. Seems like they're for different models have the different fitments. So yeah, I'm going to fit these on and probably do a video just showing before and after how different they look. Yeah, so we have there.